In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana board view in just 5 minutes. Asana is an exceptional tool designed to help manage your team's projects and tasks. It's widely used by professionals for its clean interface and robust organizational features, which include the board view. This view is especially great for visually tracking your project progress. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana website. It's best to use the latest version of a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox to ensure everything works smoothly. Once there, you'll see the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. For convenience, consider using the Continue with Google option for logging in. This method allows you to connect Asana with your Google account seamlessly, so click on Continue with Google and select the appropriate Google account when prompted. If you don't yet have an Asana account, you'll need to sign up, but that's a topic for another day. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. On the left panel, you will see a list of your projects. Choose the project you'd like to work with. This will open up a dedicated project page, displaying different options tailored for managing your specific project. Once you're on your project page, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll find a plus icon there, which is your key to customizing views. Click this icon to proceed, and you'll be prompted with different view options you can add. From this list, select the board option. The board is designed to offer you a kanban-style view, which is particularly beneficial for visualizing the progress of tasks in a project. Now you have your board view set up for your project. This view is incredibly intuitive and will display your tasks as movable cards within different columns. You'll find options to add a new task here for any new work that needs to be tackled. A great feature of the board view is its drag and drop functionality. This means you can easily move tasks between columns as they progress through various stages of completion, like from to do to in progress and finally to done. Remember, this visual organization makes it simple to track where each task stands and who's responsible for them. It promotes clarity and accountability within your team, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to set up and start using Asana's board view to keep your projects organized. Happy project managing!